is your First Alert 5 weather with Alan Rose.
And welcome back, everyone. Well, it's been a hot minute since we've seen moisture here around Colorado Springs and the Pikes Peak region, but you can see on the live cam view, it looks wet out there just outside our Rock Ribbon studios on the north side of town. Here, the temperature is down to 36. The 41 you see here on the graphic is out of the airport, so it's warmer east into the plains. The cold air not yet reaching you. We are seeing some snow mixed with rain here in town, but out west towards Manitou, it is already falling as all snow. Dry skies for the time being out towards Pueblo, cloudy with a temperature there at 44, and it looks like a complete snow globe. Let me move out of the way. Snow sticking to Highway 24 and the side streets in Woodland Park. It is a weather alert day here at News 5, and here's the reason why. This is for the Woodland Park area as well as the top of the Palmer Divide. We have a 2 on the impact scale. That means moderate impacts expected. This is going to end around midnight, maybe a little bit after that. Periods of snow and gusty wind in the forecast, and potentially as much as 1 to 3 inches of snow. There is some banding and some convective storms in association with the system. There could be some locally higher amounts, I think, and that's going to bring in snow-packed and icy streets. Now, for the rest of us, mostly concentrating on the time period from now till about 11 p.m., maybe midnight. This includes the Springs, Pueblo, Canyon City. These areas we're talking about snow or a rain-snow mix. Generally minor accumulations in these spots, slick roads and gusty winds. And let me show you the latest snow accumulation map. Just updated this about 30 minutes ago. Less than an inch for the Springs, probably around a trace to an inch for Pueblo, 1 to 3 down south towards Rye, 1 to 2 Walsenburg. There's that 1 to 3 for Woodland Park, and a trace to 2 inches in Monument. With that snow right now, it's coming down pretty good. The whole band of moisture pivoting out of Denver and down into southern Colorado tonight. And you can see all of this snow up towards Monument now beginning that changeover process up towards Briargate and Pikeview. And it looks like all snow now falling between Manitou Springs, Woodland Park out west on Highway 24. So let's time it out for you hour by hour. Again, I think through about 11 p.m. to midnight is when most of this falls, and there will be some heavier bursts of snow, which means the snow not only sticks on the grassy surfaces and rooftops, but could be sticking on some of our roadways. By around 10 o'clock, pushing south of Woodland Park, but there it begins to pick up in the plains, and we could get some pretty significant wraparound snow out across parts of the eastern plains, especially down towards Springfield overnight tonight and into tomorrow morning. Look at the forecast on Tuesday. Dry skies expected, plenty of sunshine. Temperatures, though, pretty similar to what we saw today. So here's how your Tuesday shapes up. Dry skies, seasonal temps, highs in the mid-40s around the Springs, upper 40s in Pueblo. And then just a brief break, folks, because another system moves in Wednesday afternoon into Wednesday night. Another fast-moving system for areas east of the mountains, but it's possible we could pick up maybe another dusting to a couple of inches here across parts of southern Colorado. So tonight, as the storm clears out, skies clear out, we'll see overnight lows quite cold down to the teens and 20s. Highs tomorrow generally in the 40s, and we'll stay in those 40s in the Springs all the way through Thursday, even through Friday, and then a big warm-up. The reward for the messy work week is a beautiful weekend ahead, up to 63 on Sunday. For Pueblo, we'll see temperatures here in the 40s through Thursday with some snow and rain moving back in Wednesday night and a Thursday morning. Then a nice warm-up this weekend. Canyon City, 48 today, or I should say tomorrow, 45 on Wednesday and 44 Thursday with some midweek snow showers possible. And for Woodland Park, 40 degrees Tuesday, but another potential storm with a few inches of snow and some wind Wednesday into Thursday. Drier skies as we head towards the upcoming weekend. So snow tonight until about 11 o'clock, drier conditions on Tuesday.